Want to integrate Excel workbooks into your analysis and planning processes? After you've signed into your SAP Analytics Cloud system in the add-in, you can add SAP data to local workbooks or open workbooks saved to your system. The Open option on the Add-in tab on the ribbon lets you access recently saved workbooks and those accessible from your system. To access local workbooks, you can use the native Excel file options. You can also generate a workbook directly from a table in a story, preserving the context of the data displayed. You can select the Enable Excel Add-in option from the Properties area of the Builder panel. Keep in mind that the story needs to use the new table build experience to support this feature. From the Table's More Actions menu, you can open the table in the Excel add-in. When you select this option, the state of the story table is saved as a local workbook. When you open the workbook and sign into your system, the workbook displays the data from the original table. The Workbook panel provides a range of options to work with and customize the workbook. From the Components tab, you can see and manage all the add-in objects in the workbook. For example, in a multi-page workbook, you can group all the objects by sheet or by data source. You can also view the properties of each table to see the name, description, and saved location of the data source. From the Preferences tab, you can specify settings for features such as workbook refresh, permissions, and mode for data formulas. An explanation is provided for each option. To help with troubleshooting, you can enable performance profiling. When you enable this option and refresh the data, a performance profiling sheet is added where you can review the details. Finally, on the Styling tab, you can choose between uniform, level-based, and alternating background formatting for hierarchies in the workbook. When you're done, you can save the workbook. Keep in mind that workbooks may contain VBA macros, such as the buttons shown here, that allow users to execute commands without using the Excel ribbon or menu functions. Note that VBA macros are not supported in Excel for the web. Refer to the SAP note in the description for details on how to set up the add-in to support custom VBA code. If you plan to share the workbook, you can optionally clear the data before saving to ensure that other users can see only the authorized data. You can use the Add-in Save feature to save the workbook to your system's file repository. Keep in mind that Excel's autosave feature doesn't save changes back to your system, so you need to manually save changes. To save the workbook locally or to a cloud service such as Microsoft OneDrive, you can use the standard Excel Save or Save As options. To find out more about how you can work with workbooks in the SAP Analytics Cloud add-in for Microsoft Excel, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.